So this is how the outside of our accommodation looks like. So we are currently staying in one of these rooms. So folks, this is the room, and I can't say that we just came. We were here uh, about 5 minutes ago, and we had to go out uh, to collect some stuff. So here's how the room looks like. You've got a chair, so if you have a laptop, you can work. You can plug your laptop here and work. There's an Ethernet cable as well. So this is how the outside looks like, and there's a giant window over here as well, and right in front of our apartment, I hope that you can see that there's an Apache pizza. So we've got a double bed here, and under the bed you have 2 drawers. Here they have put a piece of paper saying that we can scan this QR code for more information on this Dromroe Village accommodation. You have plenty of space to place your baggages and everything. You have a mirror here. Again, you have plenty of space. And here's the washroom that is very clean. And yeah. So I believe that's very worthy for the price that we paid. And I've let you know how to book these apartments, and I'll leave a link to the website so that you can book your room when you come to University of Limerick. So I'm now headed to make a cup of coffee. We have I'm not sure, there's a lot of rooms here, and I'm gonna go to the kitchen area to make a cup of tea. So see you there. This is the common dining area. You have a microwave, a coffee maker, a hot water kettle, 3 fridges actually, an electric oven, There are cutleries as well. Cups and saucers as well as dishes, plates. And you've got a TV here.